This Craftsman 15-amp corded saw delivers the power needed to complete everyday tasks. The high-performance 5,500 RPM motor is ideal for fast and aggressive cutting. Make accurate angled cuts with the 55-degree bevel capacity. This saw has a spindle lock mechanism for easy blade changes, with a premium-grade magnesium shoe. Metal upper and lower guard. This saw is made to withstand harsh job site conditions. The compact and lightweight design help reduce fatigue, while the contoured over molded handle is optimized for comfort. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High-performance motor runs at 5,500 RPM for aggressive fast cutting. Number 2. 7/4 inches 18T carbide tipped blade with up to 21/8 inches capacity for 2x material. Number 3. Tool-free beveling shoe pivots up to 55 degrees for angled cuts with detents at 22.5 and 45 degree for ease of use. Number 4. Magnesium shoe for durability and reduced weight. Number 5. Metal upper and lower guard for added durability. Number 6. Metal rafter hook for convenience. Number 7. Contoured over molded handle for added comfort during use. Number 8. 3-year limited warranty. Refer to warranty and support section below for full details. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How long is the power cord? Answer. Cord length 8 feet. Question number 2. Does this saw come with an edge guide? Answer. The unit CMES510 does not come with an edge guide. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.